On an Apple iPhone, there's a feature called FaceTime. Normally, most people use this app for video calls, and the thing is it only works between iPhones. If someone has an Android phone, it may not work. Anyways, through FaceTime you can make audio calls too, not just video calls. Anyways, in this video we'll show you how to make a video call using the FaceTime app on your Apple iPhone. Open the FaceTime app. After that, tap on the New Call option. When you tap on New Call, you'll see some suggestions. If you want to search for a contact, you can search here or pick from the suggestions. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, if you want to make an audio call, tap on this button here. In the center you can see the FaceTime option, don't tap that. If you tap the center one, it will connect as a video call. So here we want an audio call. Tap this button. When you tap it, the audio call will connect. Now you can see the call coming on this phone. I'm picking it up, and the thing is, this call comes just like a normal call. The only difference is it shows FaceTime audio. Otherwise, others may think it's a regular call. Anyways, this is how you can easily make a FaceTime audio call on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.